morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are on another video of this Y56 Smartwatch. Okay, so this time we're going to check on the list of watch faces available for this smartwatch. So this one, it is a small sports smartwatch, rugged smartwatch that is affordable, okay, very cheap, and with a simple functionalities. Again, if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, please drop a comment below. Okay, so again, so this is your Y56 rugged smartwatch. So we have here I direct USB charging. Okay, where's that? So this is the location. Okay, so it's a bit hard, but it's here. See it here. And we have different functionalities here. Let me have a quick look again. So we have here the automatic step counter. We have the heart rate monitoring, blood pressure and blood oxygen. What else? We have the sports functions included here, running or walking. We have skipping rope and sit up. We have message notifications, music. On the settings here, we have sleep, okay, weather, camera, until lost, reset, the QR code, and of course the power off button. So we're going to connect it to our smartwatch and we'll see. Let's try if we can install several watch faces. So let's try to connect it. Okay, so we have here the device. So let's check. Okay, let's adjust the display here first so we can see it very clearly. Okay, let's go back. Fit Pro, set. Okay, getting data from, let's see. Again, a very lightweight, cheap smartwatch. Okay, let's have, so here it automatically detects our smartwatch and it is connected. Okay, so let's go to the dial settings here. It is loading. So we have here the default watch faces. Okay, we have here the recommended watch faces, different watch face. Okay, we have a lot of watch face option here. Okay, so let's check. How about this one? Looks trendy. Astronaut change dial. So let's change. Okay, so we have custom watch face. So let's have a synchronous dial here. So let's see. So it has an option for low battery. So we have a low battery mode. So let's try to charge it. Okay, again, easy to charge. Let's see if it's charging. Okay, so let's try again. Okay, it's unable, still charging. Let's wait. Okay, we are able to charge the smartwatch. Just see small amount of charging here, and as you can see here, we are able to upload the watch face on the smartwatch. Okay, so we have here the synchronized dial. Okay, let me show it to you again. Okay, so we have here the watch face successfully loaded. Okay, so we have here a beautiful watch face, the helmet, an astronaut thing. So let's check and let's try if we can change it with a custom watch face. So before that, let me charge it again while we are waiting. So let's try. Let's look for a watch face here that it's easy to replace. Let me, for example, this one. Okay, so we have here the change dial option. See, as you can see here, so we have the option to use an image. So let me try this one. Okay, how about this? Okay, and completed. So we have here the watch face. Okay, so let me arrange. Okay, so Fit Pro, if it's okay, check. So we have here the watch face. Can we change the location? Okay, so you have the option here, change the location of the time and the date. Let's see, let's try this one. Okay, so we have on the bottom part here. Okay, then we have here the smartwatch charging and synchronized dial. So let's see, so upgrading, and as you can see here in our smartwatch that is being charged, it is being loaded. Okay, let's try. So 11%, 15, so it is fast. Okay, with the latest Bluetooth 5.0, uploading or changing watch faces right now is much faster compared to the previous generation of smartwatches, that is Bluetooth 3.0. So as you can see here, it is loaded fast to the device. Okay, so let's see, the smartwatch loaded the watch face, and we have here the custom watch face for the Y56 smartwatch. Okay, so far it works. Okay, so let's check for other options here. Message notifications we also have here. Okay, what else? Other options. So let's see. Vibration settings. Remote shutter we also have. So allow. Let's see here if it's working. Okay, so let's see. Tap. Okay, so it works. So next, what else? Okay, brightness. Do we have an option for the brightness? Okay, so we also have do not disturb mode, alarm, sedentary reminder. For alarms we have how many options here? So we have a lot of options with the date and time that you can set. Okay, and we have the overall statistics here for your activity. Okay, we also have here the map trajectory for the connected GPS. Okay, so that's it. Okay, we successfully installed the watch face for the Y56 rugged smartwatch. So let's return the strap here. Again, it is a direct USB charging, so easy to charge, and so far it is tight. No worries that you might lose the smartwatch. Okay, it is tightly locked this strap here, and it looks simple, somewhat like a kid's smartwatch. Okay, very affordable, very cheap. Okay, this is your Y56 smartwatch or watch storm. Okay, your rugged sports smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this device, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Goodbye.